Hello everyone, welcome to Tiny Steps to English. Today we are going to take a big step into your baby's language journey by introducing some of their very first words in English. This video is designed to be fun, simple and engaging, so your little one can start learning words like mama, dada and so much more. Let's get started and make learning English an exciting experience. Let's start with the basics. The first words babies often say are related to the people around them. Say after me. Mama. This means mommy. Dada. This means daddy. Your baby will love learning these words because they're already familiar with the people they represent. Practice saying these words with your baby every day. Now, let's have some fun with animals. Babies are fascinated by animals, and making animal sounds can make learning even more enjoyable. Say, dog, woof woof, cat, meow, bird, tweet tweet. You can make this activity playful by making the animal sounds after saying each word. It's a fun way to capture your baby's attention and get them involved. Next, let's introduce some everyday objects your baby sees around the house. Point to each item and say the word clearly. Ball. Babies love playing with balls. Cup. You can use a cup for drinking. Book. Reading time is always fun. Each time you say a word, point to the object and encourage your baby to repeat after you. Repetition is key for helping them remember these words. It's important to encourage your baby to interact while learning. Whenever you say a word, try to get your baby to repeat after you. Even if it's just the beginning sound, you can say, "Can you say mama?" or "Can you say ball?" Celebrating their efforts, even if it's not perfect, will help them feel excited about learning. That's all for today's lesson on baby's first words. Keep practicing these simple words every day, and soon your little one will start using them in daily life. Thanks for joining us at Tiny Steps to English. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.